What's good, YouTube? It's T Who. It's T Rose. Hey, hey, hey. Now let me stop. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Today we are going to be reacting to it's a music video. I don't know who is it from. I genuinely don't know who it's from. One of my viewers just recommended me to react to this, so that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's T Rose. Let's get into it. Ooh, I love that. I don't know. His voice sounds good, but I don't know about the music, like the actual music though. Hold on. And the song sounds familiar too. Isn't this what is this? This is from it's from an anime. I forgot what's Tokyo something. Tokyo Revengers. Isn't this a song? I might be tripping. I don't know. But oh, I hear the piano. Why do I hear like those drums in like almost every song? Dun, 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 dun. Like I hear those type of like drum beats in every song. I don't know why. Ooh, that. That's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. I gotta figure out who this is. I gotta figure it out. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, God, hold on, that guitar. Hold on. I'm not gonna lie, this song is so. You know what I'm saying? Because I remember, I think I listened to it when I was watching the show. It wasn't all of that to me. You know what I'm saying? But the full, this is the first time me like listening to the full version. So like the guitar, The instruments on this song is actually phenomenal. I actually like it. It's phenomenal. I ain't gonna lie. It's low-key good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Oh my God. Woo! That guitar though. Well, damn. Almost brought a tear to my eye, bro. What the hell? Hold on, what? Okay, that last part was beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. That last part caught me off guard. I'm not even gonna lie. Like that caught me off guard. I'm not even gonna lie. Genuinely. Hold on, it's my eye red? No, it's not. But like that caught me off guard. But that was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. The song, the full version. I feel like the full version is definitely better than the actual, like, you know what I'm saying? But this song is, I would rate it an I'll rate it 8.5, you know. I love that piano. I love the piano. The guitar was crazy. The instrumentals, the way they play it is very, 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 very cool. I'm not even gonna lie. Very cool. Um, I don't know his name. I gotta figure out is it DISM? Is that his name? I'm not sure. But let me know down in the comments what his name is and stuff like that. What the song name is actually, because I gotta figure that out as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below what you guys think of this song, this Tokyo Adventure song. Cause yeah, this is the Tokyo Adventure song. But comment down below your thoughts. And as always, God is with you. Stay blessed, you guys. It's T Rose. Until next time. Bye bye.